Yeah, good morning everyone. This is my vlog. Stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe. Good morning everyone. Freezing pa rin, no? Nangingintab yung yung kotse. So, it's already 4:19. Late ako ng 4 minutes bago makalabas ng bahay. Kaya, ayun lang everyone. Today is Wednesday, 8 of, 8 of January 2025, everyone. Ayan, malapit naman ang kalahatian ng buwan. Kaya, yan lang tayo. Yan lang tayo, everyone. May kailangan see you after 15 minutes walks and 1 bus, everyone. And ayun lang. Mapagpalang umaga sa inyong lahat. God bless everyone and happy days. Maayong buntag sa inyong tanan. Ayun everyone. At close road pa rin dito dahil yung pumutok na tubig diyan sa Willesden Lane. Hanggang kahapon nag-uumapaw pa rin. Parang fountain ba, everyone. Okay. Bye and see you later, everyone. Yeah. Good morning, everyone. Kain tayo, everyone. Yeah, madali nang gumamit ng mga card. Everyone, busy kami. Ayan everyone. Ito yung naging favorite ni nanay na isda. Pero marami namang isda dito. Kaya lang, syempre, masyadong mahal. Ba? Wow! There's a galunggong. How much is the kilo for galunggong? 7.99. 7.99? 7.99 a kilo. Oh, wow. Just I miss galunggong. Ayan everyone, nandito ako sa isdaan. Ayan, to buy some fish. There's a lot of fish here, everyone. Tok ako ngayon sa pagluto, kaya I need to buy this fish. I like fish. My favorite. And then this one. And then this one. Today is cooking day. Cooking day. Ni Charito. Everyone. Yummy. While washing. Time check, everyone. We're going home even though it's raining outside. Need to top up, everyone. My sister in Christ. Kain tayo, everyone. Dinner. It's already 9:16. So, need pa rin natin kumain. Kasi may chamomile ako. Naubusan na ako ng ginger. Kaya, and then, nagugutom na ako, everyone. Let's eat. And then, after mga 30 minutes. Matulog na tayo. Kasi may trabaho pa bukas. Maaga pa rin. And then, good night. God bless. And I love you all, everyone. See you when I see you tomorrow.